Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters, and I have got a new favorite Cybertruck build. Tough to say because at T-Sportline we've done several hundred Cybertrucks over the past year or so, but again today this one looks like how I would do it if I was doing my own Cybertruck fresh from a start today. It's not overly done, but it's got what I consider the best hitters from T-Sportline. Let's go through everything this customer opted for. First of all, we've got a Nuys Satin Midnight Moss wrap on here. It's a really cool look. It's kind of a metallic look, but it's got that green tint to it. Pretty cool stuff. The upper arch up here, the cantrail, is done in satin black, so it gives a little bit of a contrast, but it flows in with the fully smoked out tinted windows. Looks pretty hard and pretty tough. This could be a factory finish when you look at this and you don't know any better. Looks super cool. Now, how do you accentuate that? T-Sportline carbon fiber wide body package. Starting up here, you can see very nice Cybertruck, industrial design, sharp edges. None of the cameras are moved from the factory position, so FSD, everything works perfect. This bolts on, no permanent modifications. Starts up here with the fender arch. Goes down here, the full rocker panel is covered in carbon fiber. And then of course in the back, and we have a factory charge port, works great. I love the way the designers work that in. Everything works compliant. Nothing is an issue with the Tesla. Next, looking at the wheels. 24-inch for sure. These are our CTM monoblocks, fully forged wheels. And I think the industrial design look there with the floating center cap, awesome with what else we have going on. Now, this customer has a factory Tesla light bar, but we added our curved light bar to the bumper for a little extra lighting and that perfect look like he's done everything. In the back, we've got our boost bar, so when he's in reverse, he's got added aftermarket lighting back there as well. This thing really is hitting me as one of my new favorites. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And of course, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back soon because we're gonna keep building these and sharing them with you.